Good morning, beautiful people. I am here on the Carnival Panorama, and we are on a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise. Today, I'm gonna show you guys a day in the life of a Carnival participant. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks if you buy this cruise and what a day in the life would look like for you. Now, I will say, Carnival has a ton of activities. So this will be a general day in the life. It's not gonna be exactly what your day will look like, but I promise you to give you a general picture of what life looks like on the Carnival Panorama. Let's get to it. The first place I am headed to is the gym. I love working out in the mornings, and also many other people on this ship enjoy working out in the mornings. So I'm gonna head to the gym, get a good workout, maybe for an hour or so, and then it's time for breakfast. I lied. That gym was a little too packed for me, so I did 1 or 2 exercises and I got out of there. But Carnival not only has an indoor gym, sorry, this is the water park right here, which I might get on later and show you all. But Carnival not only has an indoor gym, but they also have an outdoor gym. So I'm gonna get my workout in outside today and show you guys the track that they have on the top floor, and then I'll show you guys the workout area that they have on the top floor too. I just had a great workout, and now I am going to get breakfast here at the Vista restaurant. This is one of, I believe, 3 restaurants where you can sit down on board and actually have people come and wait on you and all those things. So I'm here at the Vista restaurant, and we're gonna see what menu they have today, and I'm about to grub. I got a good workout in, I got a good breakfast in, and now I'm headed to the first activity of the day, the Deal or No Deal game show. I wanna say my girlfriend got us tickets to be participants, but at the very least, I'm gonna watch the game show. I'm super excited. They have a $5,000 jackpot. Show is over, and now I am back at the room. I think this is a perfect time to show you guys how the room looks. So there are a ton of options you can choose from, but we have the one with the balcony. I don't know the proper name for this, but I will include it in the description. And as you can see, this is pretty much the whole thing. You got your couch right here, and this can also fold out. So some people actually fit 4 people in this room. Personally, we just have 2, but this does fold out into a bed. And then you actually have the bed right here, the TV right here. And the TV is cool because they have a ton of different stuff to do on there, free movies, all that stuff. Won't go into that too much. And then you have basically just your dresser right here, a lot of space in the closet, another one right here, and the bathroom is pretty small, but it has everything you need to get in and out. And let me show you guys the balcony, which is personally my favorite part. We got the chairs out here, and my favorite part of the room is the view. So after a good nap, I woke up, and me and my girlfriend went to JJ's Asian Kitchen, which is one of the specialty restaurants on board, and had lunch. After we had lunch, we went to the Serenity Adult Spa, which is a lifesaver. I'll talk about that a little bit more in my review video of Carnival. So be sure to stay tuned because my review video is definitely coming. After I left the Serenity Spa, I met up with my girlfriend and we had dinner at the Horizon restaurant, which is one of the other sit-down restaurants on the ship. And I can't lie, I do have some things to say about the food, but this time the food was pretty good. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna edit that out. Honestly, now I'm exhausted. I have one of the on-demand movies on right here, and I'm about to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in the life of I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, a cruise participant. But if you have any questions about going on the Carnival cruise, especially as a young person like 25 through 35, let me know in the comments and stay tuned because I have another video coming out about my overall Carnival review. But until next time, peace.